Actually, Raman Maharshi says beautifully, whenever you can be in the state of Atman, that enlightenment, be in that same ecstasy and bliss, whenever you can't, read the books which again and again tells you, don't read, go into the experience, which encourages you to go into the experience, means books written by a great enlightened masters. Books written by enlightened masters will always convince you not to be with the books, enter into the experience. Rishis are the only people who kept the possibility of updating open and available for the next generation. You can update our scriptures. There are smritis. Continuously you can update. Updating is possible. If you read the Gita, Krishna is so beautiful. He says, whenever dharma declines, yata yata hi dharmasya klanir bhavati bharata abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. He keeps the possibility open. He says, again and again I come down, means he is keeping the space for next generation enlightened masters. He keeps the whole thing open. The next generation, next master can come up and say, yes, now I have experienced Krishna consciousness. Now I am speaking from the same experience. Come up, let's update. Let's grow. The possibility for growth, the possibility for the next generation is kept open with the rishis. They never say, they never claim we are the ultimate authority. Even softwares can be updated. Be very clear. Anything which can't be updated will be outdated. Either update or get outdated. If some scripture can't be updated, means it has to be outdated. It has to be outdated. Anything which can be updated, only that can keep the life. The important change which came after the IT revolution, the recent days, two important changes. Knowledge is free and possibility of updating. These two, 5,000 years ago our masters have thought about it. Still in India knowledge is free. Still in India knowledge is free. Even in our ashram we have programs. 1 year we give them complete free food and stay and cloth and books to study the spiritual philosophy. Anybody who wants to come and stay, they can come and stay and practice for 1 year. Full 1 year we give complete free food, stay and syllabus, the atmosphere, the ambience, which is important thing, and teachers, provide teachers. In India we believe knowledge is free and possibility of updating. Rishis don't claim they are the ultimate. They don't claim they are the last. They are not killing. They are not stopping the growth or the expansion of spiritual intelligence. Raman Maharshi says beautifully, read the books of enlightened masters who are constantly saying, drop books, go into experience. Try to be always in that ecstasy or bliss or the no mind space. When you can't, read the books which again and again inspires you to go into that state.